Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today we are focusing on a critical market, Vietnam, and its challenging Decree Number 98/2021 ND-CP. This regulation fundamentally changed how medical devices are registered, making the Common Submission Dossier Template, or CSDT, the new standard for market approval for Class B, C, and D devices. Successfully preparing this technical file is the key to unlocking Vietnam's rapidly growing market. Your CSDT must be meticulously structured, following the ASEAN CSDT format, but with specific local requirements in mind. The first step is correctly classifying your device according to Vietnamese regulations, as this determines the entire scope of your technical file. A common mistake is assuming your home market classification applies directly. The dossier itself requires granular detail across several key areas. Your device description must be precise and perfectly match all supporting documents, including the instructions for use, or IFU. Speaking of the IFU and all labeling, these must be provided in Vietnamese. A simple translation is not enough. The terminology must be accurate and culturally appropriate for local healthcare professionals. For the manufacturing section, a valid ISO 13485 certificate is mandatory, but you also need to provide detailed information about the manufacturing process and quality control procedures. A real-world case involves a diagnostic device manufacturer whose submission was delayed for months. Their dossier included a valid quality certificate, but failed to provide a detailed flowchart of the specific quality checks performed during production, a detail the Vietnamese authorities specifically requested. Another critical area is the evidence of conformity. This includes your essential principles checklist, risk management file, and extensive verification and validation data. For higher-risk devices, robust clinical evidence is non-negotiable. You cannot assume that clinical data from European or US markets will be automatically accepted. The Vietnamese authorities may require bridging studies or a detailed justification of why the foreign data is applicable to the local population. Navigating these requirements demands local knowledge and a proactive strategy. Preparing a compliant CSDT is not just a technical exercise. It's a strategic process that requires understanding the nuances of Vietnamese regulations. For expert guidance on navigating Vietnam's regulatory landscape and ensuring your CSDT is submission-ready, you can email or visit Chen-Global.